Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and this is a video that I made on Animoto on how to count syllables. A syllable is a mouthful of a word. It can also be called a beat.
Syllable is like a beat. Do you know what a beat is? Drummer, please play a beat. Thank you. That is a good beat.
So how do we count syllables? We're going to start off with the word cat. So when you count it out, it goes cat, pretty much meaning that there is one syllable. So now let's move on to a harder word, paper. When you count it out or when you clap it out, it goes paper, meaning that there are two syllables in that word. So that is pretty much how we count our syllables. Thank you.